actually making this room like a little reading nook. I thought it was a screen, but it actually has like little logs inside of it. Isn't that cute? My house is kind of torn apart. My mom's dog is staying with us, so disregard the background, but I'm gonna make this in this bigger room and then move it to the little reading nook. I wanna show you why I picked this fireplace. It is like a stucco look instead of just like a white look. This piece is the front facing piece, but it's also reversible. So you can either do black or you can do this cute like tile look.